Okay, so today I'm going to be installing the handguards and wind deflectors. These are not by Can-Am. I will leave the link to the ones that I purchased. These are from Amazon. They're a little cheaper. So yeah, so this is what you get in the first box with the handguards. Get the handguards. You get instructions. Get screws, different things. Next one, you get all of the pieces to match the handguards. I would definitely say just buy these both together. I think they're like 65, 60 something a piece. I just bought those both together, got them on Prime, got them in a few days. So we'll also be installing that, as well as, I'm sure everybody knows this, but just a quicker way to how to change your hand guards. I'm sorry, your hand grips. So just stay tuned. Okay, so you're gonna get the two different sets. If you're just gonna do this one, then there are instructions just for this. Also, if you get the set, definitely follow the instructions that are in the wind guard box, not the ones that are in the hand guards. The second one has pretty much everything that you need to do start to finish. So unfortunately, these ones from Amazon, they do not have anything in here that actually indicates that it's a right or left. I spent probably about 30 minutes or so trying to figure out what is what and attaching parts that did not go together. So this one is completely done. I still have to install it, but that's how it is going to look. So one thing that I've noticed that helped me, the two holes here are going to go at the bottom. So on the bottom, you also are going to have an indicator here that goes to one of the holes on the handlebars. I'll show you that as well. So that's how you're going to easily be able to determine right or left. All right, put the holes at the bottom, hole, inside hole, the prong here is going to go on the inside. Two holes go at the bottom. So this is going to be a left guard here, right? So it's also going to come with this piece. We're going to add that in here into the little holes, like so, like that. Here's another one of the pieces. I believe, let's see if this one has it. Nope, this one doesn't have it either. A lot of the things don't have indicators if they're right or left. So this is going to go at the bottom. So always remember that the point goes at the bottom, and that's going to help you. You are going to need a bit set with the T bits. I'll link the one I bought. I purchased mine from Walmart for, I don't know, maybe $10, something like that. It's good to just go ahead and buy the set. You're gonna need it for every little thing on this Ryker. Or I don't know how the spiders are, but on my Ryker, I use this set more than anything. So just go ahead and buy the little set. I'll try to link one for Walmart and Amazon down in the description box. So you're gonna add that here. If you decide to add the light kit, then you will go ahead and just skip to the next step. You won't add these two washers here. If you're like me and I didn't add the light set, add the two washers. Put that here. This goes like that. So the easiest way, because it's kind of hard trying to put the two washers behind this and put this all together. So I stick the screw in, add the two washers like that. Oh crap, see? That's the thing. That's kind of hard trying to put that in there. Yes, you can do this by yourself just with one person. You don't need a second hand. I know some of the videos say, oh, but if you have a second person, if your second person ain't here or they're at work or whatever, you can do this by yourself, okay? Okay, so you see how I'm holding that there? I have the two washers on this side. I press my thumb through. I know where that goes. Hopefully y'all can see this, because I just did not feel like going back upstairs to get my tripod. Judge me. Judge your mama, don't judge me, okay? Oh, see, crap. This is one of the, next to trying to figure out which way the parts go is this. Okay, once you finally get it in there, hopefully y'all can see that. You're gonna press it down, pick up your bit. I don't know the size because of course I have this on here, but I will link all of what you need in the description box below. All of that stuff will be down there. So once you get that, you're gonna line these up. Before you continue, you just kind of want to put a little bit of tension on there just to make sure everything is lined up. It's supposed to be kind of flush at the top. Hold that with the thumb and start to tighten it. Okay, that goes like that. So there also is another small piece. You're gonna add that here. Press it in, that's a perfect fit. There's a little small screw. Add that here. And if you hear water or something or a fan, I'm in Houston. It's hot as hell. And it decided to rain today. You know, so we got humidity and everything going on, but I just need to get this done. So go ahead and tighten that down. Okay. You are going to get your actual hand deflector. Now, I will show you a picture of my bike. Eventually, I'm going to wrap these to match my bike. Sorry, trike. That is such a thing that I keep doing. Eventually, I'm going to wrap these to match my trike, but I'm not about to do that today. Stay tuned for another video. Okay, so these are going to be a perfect set. It's going to naturally just fall here. Flip this upside down. Now what I did with the other one, as I started with one screw, hopefully I can do this. I started with one screw and kind of started to tighten this down because the way that the metal is that holds this screw, it's a little off. So a couple twists and that's it. I go to tighten this down, line up the second screw. I really do hope that y'all can see this. Eventually, I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing these videos, but while I'm doing them, I try to get them a little set up better. But for now, y'all gonna get phone videos. Okay, second one, start to tighten that down a little bit. This is why I definitely recommend this torque set from Walmart, because the one is where you get all of the T screwdrivers and they're all just, and you gotta manually, I'm not about to do all that. This is so easy and it's cheap. So you will notice about anything that I post on this channel, whether it's makeup, hair, home improvement, cars, whatever. Baby, we gonna save some money. Stuff is hot right now. So don't give Can-Am all your money. Learn how to do stuff on your own. If you don't, it's your bike. Don't do anything outside of what you are comfortable with. But YouTube University is something that you definitely can watch and learn how to do everything. And this is cheap, $9. Okay, so pretty much this is done. This is ready to be installed. So let me move my camera. All right, if you can see my reflection, please disregard. I look a hot mess. It's early in the morning. Okay, so these are the holes that I was referring to, that you will put those prongs into. This is how you're gonna know. I would definitely say just test them out. I'm more of a visual person, and the instructions wasn't bad. They could have been better. So I've already changed out the other one here. I am going to, this is also going to include, if you do not know how, a very quick, fast way, let me cover myself because I look a hot mess. A quick way to remove everything here, as well as your handguards. So just stay tuned. Okay, so let me just, again, I'm gonna link exactly what bit this is. This is a different bit. I will link that down below. So what you're gonna do, go ahead, you have to go back and readjust your mirrors, but you are going to start to undo this. Take that screw off. If I can get the freaking thing right. All right, y'all. You're gonna go with this. Now, I'm about to stop because I'm not gonna do it this way. So, if you do not have a drill, when I first started, I had a drill, but I just was scared to do it. So, I took the time. It's gonna take you about 5 minutes doing this with a screw, a T-screw set, or a T-torque set. It's still gonna take you a little bit of time because the screw. Let me find the screw for you so I can show you. This screw is this long, so you're just gonna be sitting there. I don't have time. Okay, so what I do is go ahead and put this in my Ryker drill. Walk that around, and we're gonna hit this here. Okay. Sorry, my neighbor has an extremely loud car. All right, so there's the screw. So if this is the first time that you are taking your mirrors or any of this apart, this is going to be a little tight. I don't know if they put some type of, when they are putting these together, if they put a little bit of glue. I don't know, but it was hard. It was very, very hard. But you just gonna turn this. Y'all don't need to see what I look like. Y'all look at how I miss. You're just gonna rock this back and forth. You're gonna need a little strength. Okay? That's that. I have a, what is this, a hand buster thingy or whatever. Let me take it off. Okay, now we're back. So I'm sure you've seen it on like Sling Mods and some of the other places, some of the other stuff. Hand sanitizer. I made the mistake and did the Dawn dish soap thing. That's great, but then you're gonna actually have to wipe that off because you do not want, you know, Dawn dish soap. Or just dish soap in general, not just Dawn, but I'm a Dawn kind of person. It can clean everything, cleans the grease and everything else, and that is not going to dry down. It's going to take quite a bit of time. With this hand sanitizer, with it being hot, and everybody, most of the country going through the heat wave, this is going to be really, really fast. So, just take you some. I squeeze just a little bit here, wipe that around. I then take my flathead screwdriver. Hopefully you can see that. I then take my flathead screwdriver. I drop a little bit in there. And then I start working that through. This one is a little hard because I never take this one on. This is the throttle. So, you're just going to keep working this out. Your right one is going to take quite a bit of more time than your left. So I'm going to try to work this off. If you can, just get in here. Make sure you always just put a little bit of that, you see how I'm lifting it up here? Put a little bit of that hand sanitizer. Once the end starts to come off, you then add a little bit of hand sanitizer on the inside and it's going to just slide off, okay? All right, and we're back. So this is off. What you're going to do now is, I ordered these off of Amazon. We're about to see how I'm about to modify this. I believe they are 7/8. Pretty much all of them will fit. So this is just to kind of match like my little accent color, y'all. So you see that, add a couple of drops of hand sanitizer down at the bottom. Okay, we are now going to, I'm gonna have to put the phone down, of course, so I can, I'm ordering everything else. I'm gonna order a tripod off of Amazon. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so initially when you put this on, you're now gonna have to work this over the little lip here that's on the end of the throttle. Definitely add a little bit of hand sanitizer here just to slide. Okay, and I will be back. So I have worked this down to the end, and as you see, these are closed. So now you're gonna get you a utility knife. You're gonna go here. Just gonna basically cut, hopefully y'all can see that. We're just gonna cut an X into this. Alright. Safety first. Close this up. And you're going to continue to work this over that lip that's there. Okay. You are now going to just neatly trim the excess here. Alright, so you're going to put this on. What I went ahead and did is I put the 2 end ones on, just not tightening the 2 bolts down. Slid that on and then place that in the hole that's in the front. On the right side, you do have your, well, you have it on both sides, but you're gonna have to move down your wires a little bit, scoop them back up. So, add a said piece. Little prongs like this goes on the inside, on both. So inside with the prongs facing in. But you can feel it, honestly, if you were to put that in there wrong. Slide those in. Okay. And just keep going, tighten that down. Okay, so everything is back. I put my little throttle thing back on there. So you're gonna need a mallet. Not a hammer, a mallet. Unless, if you don't have a mallet, you can use a hammer. Just make sure you put some type of towel or something there that you are gonna whack that right back in there. Put your screw in. All right. Go ahead and adjust your mirrors. But that's it. That is how you add your hand guards. Okay. Add your hand guards on. I'm about to just slap on the other one and I will show you pictures.